Have a nice time.
Cynthia now. I'm trying to call you, you blocked me.
Richard, what do you want?
I'm very sorry. See, I realized that you're perfect for me and I'm just trying to be perfect for you.
Why you? What's she?
My ex-boyfriend.
Who's her ex, please? She's done with you. Done with the old, now with the new. Are they waiting for me?
Excuse me.
Cynthia, you know what? If you don't want to be my girlfriend, it's fine.
I found a love.
You'll be my wife.
Otunba, what should I say?
Christ, watch it.
What's up, my people on the deal to the sub? It's your boy OBIKIng. Welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, this will not be long, so please make sure to watch to the very end. And subscribe if you're yet to do that. Drop nice comments and share this video. It's important. You feel me, my people? So the play. Let's go have some fun.
Do your mommy sell okra?
No.
Your mommy a teacher?
No.
Is she a lawyer?
No.
Is your daddy a doctor?
No.
Is he an engineer?
No.
Now need to work for a family. Which have you
No, I thought you wanted to say I draw your attention.
Which attention you do? Which attention you do?
No, I don't know now.
Okay, which work your papa they do?
He sells newspaper.
Your papa they sell newspaper, so now what me escape poverty?
Mom, where you
Oh, that's for for you.
I'm going to end up without having a boyfriend. Baba, I begged you.
Now me want you to escape poverty, Abi.
No, you
want me
won't.
to
This
escape
guy don't
poverty.
get sense.
Not go walk, you go cry.
You go
and then you
cry.
last comment of it. If to say I know before, I for worship this ball like.
Worship for this ball, man. Worship.
Do my back. Do my back, I will protect you. Nobody can carry you. I will protect you.
Wow, what a beautiful body of water. What's this body of water called?
This is Ngene River.
Okay, and where is it located?
This is Amagunze now.
Amagonze.
Yes.
Okay. As I walked upon these mountains, I discovered this amazing river called the Gainer River, located in the Amazon forest.
Enya, what do you mean you just discovered us? We've been here. We literally were here when you came. You said you discovered Ngene River in Amazon forest. This is Amagunze and my forefather fetched this water. Everybody, we've been here for centuries.
And I discovered these people who are called the Amazonian people. They have their own special language called the Amazonian language.
Enya, stop profiling me. You met me here. You met me here.
It's okay. Let's just go to the edit.
Mujay becomes the first man to walk an Amazon forest as he discovers the Gainer River and the first Amazonian people. Stay tuned for more discovery in Africa.
Yeah.
Governor Amuneke, they don't edit you. They don't edit you today. And it's
Now
true.
for
This is
that,
how they
get to
discovered,
Aboki.
Nigerian
Slow down, where you dey go? Slow down for
They
here.
discovered it.
Oga, me no vex, na Ladipo I dey come. So you see say I carry bike come. Hey, bring tire inside. Wahala start say Ladipo
You always do this and no like am. After inside the comot. Why
my
you do
boy
like
dey
this?
here, you see the wahala wey we do for Ladipo, ema binu si mi Olorun. Egbon, this tires I no fit get am for you to do next week Olorun.
Next week here. I know they wait for who go wait for it next week na that before. I no fit wait till next week that before.
Ẹ̀rù pé ní mo ṣe bí Ọlọ́run Ladipo láti káàkiri lónìí ẹ̀gbọ́n. Ọlọ́run máa gbọ́ next week tí mi ò bá fún yín táyà yẹn ẹ̀gbọ́n.
That before you no go work. I no fit wait for you till next week. But go refund me now.
Refund ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ wá mi ní nǹkan fún kíni wàhálà.
That before refund the money first. We go dey talk that one later. Refund the money first.
Me my bro, refund do that transfer.
Send am to my OP.
Oga.
Facial expression kí ni ń gbé wa o, mo understand.
Facial expression bo. Bó ṣó ló do ni wọ́n gan. Facial recognition ló ń pè kí ni.
Ẹ má bínú sir.
Excuse me please. Lo tẹ̀ sí bí 45,000 ó tẹ́ 450. Ẹ̀gbọ́n abẹ́ ẹ̀rọ if no be say o pay get large transaction sheet na so for press rubbish you this boy. Na so for press rubbish.
So if the money, I no go return your money for you. Get it enter my account.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n no be that one, no worry. Make you know say with OPay wey I dey use now, I don set monthly limit. Anything wey pass the monthly limit wey I set, they go talk say make I use my face verify the transaction. So mo ti kó bá mi tán.
You dey talk like say I no go return your money. This is that before.
See what team
Mo ti send it.
Get 450k for your account and you tell me I find you something again. Which I will find you like this now?
Ẹ̀gbọ́n 450k wey I do, I dey partake in OPay security vote challenge. You know say now if you upload your favorite feature of OPay, tag Layi Wasabi, tell us wetin you like pass for the security feature. If it be large transaction sheet o, if it be scam alert o, If you do that one and you win, Papa, you feel win 1 million naira.
1 million naira.
Hi, man.
Oh, I go follow go do this challenge.
I don't get
Oh, yeah.
When I don't win money now, that's the way I can set to you. I'll come take and set to you.
But no,
Yeah, no girl.
me put you on. No.
That is
I
go wine you.
Oh, yeah, mommy, not wearing lights. So I just help Uncle.
But I like the adverts.
Asha's place, fantastic.
After 2 years of being together, he had to go to cheat on me. I must do my own bag. I must have my own one night stand.
Walk in the room like a Vincent Kennedy.
Hello, my dear. Excuse me.
Who is responsible for making a pretty girl like you cry like a motherfucker? Who is that?
It's my boyfriend. Or rather, my ex-boyfriend, because I'm so done with him, man. How did he cheat on me now?
Men are terrible. Men are stupid. How can someone you open and cheat on you, my dear?
I used to be a very naughty girl. I used to do dirty things. See, I even had an OnlyFans account that used to give me a lot of money.
Sorry,
But I left it for him.
excuse me. You say you have only fans. My dear, where's your login?
I live that life for Richard. And this is what I get. I don't understand. I cook, I clean, I take care of him. And what do men want now?
Men are insatiable. You cannot satisfy men. That's the truth. Today they want big bum bum. Tomorrow they want Chinese. Then tomorrow they want Latino big breast. They're complete beings. Oh my God, man!
Are you not a man? You're all the same now. I don't understand.
They are men and they are Okune. I'm Okune. I'm the kind of man who knows how to give love to a woman who gives love to him. I don't do falafolo. No. My dear, he cheated on you and you even put only fans for him.
Right?
I'm licking woman yash up and down.
Yeah, we get on the fans. No be red flag.
But it's reason.
You seem like a man with a heart of gold.
My body very pure. My heart is pure.
Even you were not married now, I would have just used you as my rebound. I'm so sorry I said that out loud. I'm just stress eating. I'm rambling.
Keep church. Don't apologize for nothing, please. Don't apologize for nothing. Use me. Forget about who is married and who is not married. Use me as your rebound. Don't worry. I pay for all your stretching. Mr. Man, sorry. How much is stretching? I cover it.
250,000, sir.
My dear, you are stretching for 250K. So for the boy, Tani.
I have a lot of sexual energy. I just need to release it.
Hey, I pay for it. Vision me. I like. When you have a nice time.
Cynthia, now. I'm trying to call you. You blocked me.
Richard, what do you want?
I'm very sorry. See, I realized that you're perfect for me, and I'm just trying to be perfect for you.
Why you? Who's she?
My ex-boyfriend.
Mr. X, please. She's done with you. Done with the old, now with the new. Are they wale for me?
Excuse me.
Cynthia, you know what? If you don't want to be my girlfriend, it's fine.
I found a love
You be my wife.
for me.
Otunba, what should I say?
What should you say?
Come here.
Come in the bound place.
Let me split your nyash open like a loaf of bread.
Hey, you like that to have it you want me to talk. First of all, just pay 250K for it.
Come on, together, one carry as my wife.
Low battery, please charge.
Oh, girl, you with me and jam on my Liverpool. I go score like Salah, no be here, say.
Low
battery, please charge.
Power.
What you can't slap this one. You come on now.
What is it now? I don't know this woman. Why you slapping her? Look at her face has changed already.
She's evil. I dropped this movie, Stolen Truth. Since 18th of August. No be just movie now. True life story of what happened for Zimbabwe. This movie don't drop since 18th. See now. You carry Anunobi. Francis Odega did the movie. Precious Untouchable did the movie. This movie they show for Zenith Empire TV for YouTube. Movie they work for 30K views since. And if I do give away, I just get the first drop account. It is I no go know how they follow am spiritually.
You no get data to watch am. Do another giveaway so that I go see that.
But you get data to follow Saintbellington. They get child online lecture. Abi? Madam,
Hey! You join the woman, they slap the woman.
You don't watch am. Yes, don't watch him. Story truth, ba? Yes, I don't watch him.
What's happening for this?
But wait, what's happening for the movie? The one where tell us of saying my cousin brother and I ain't born in mama for my movie.
Slap up.
Jesus. I go spend 7 million now, no go value. Nonsense.
Spend 7 million. Wow.
You know they.
Nigerian market.
Mama, now you don't even know what I want
buy from their shop.
You buy something? I be say you don't go that your customer, please don't go buy it.
Now bread I buy for there, but you don't get butter. Now customer.
Oh, you buy bread for there, you can buy butter for here.
You know this.
You know they.
But madam, see, now butter be that now.
You know they.
Ah wow.
You know they.
Sorry, oh.
You said sorry, oh.
Now so Nigeria, so many of them they do. So many of them are so they do.
Oh no. Hey! Now this banana is on my shirt though.
Of course.
Gee! I don't got this banana on my shirt.
Okay.
This must be. See this one, sir.
I able to nation. They very thick.
I go sell and 2,000, 3,000 go fall out. Eh?
Who the Zuzu?
This one on my shirt like this. This one don't my shirt. Nigga start with this one. Hi. Hello. Kilo shele now. Kilo shele mbe. Wetin they try do? You're not blind. I want to cut banana and go and sell. I will not shile lane. Yeah, I got your bush. Are you planter? See, don't start today. If you carry your wish, come here. I will face you with my bazooka. You are the one you wish. You are the one that is a wish.
Okay.
I you want to go plucker. Stop a beard. I go
there. Yoruba, the other one are you.
What do you mean? You are the one that plants seed, the banana. If you plant something, can you plant? Anything where you plant will die because you're a dead human being. You cannot plant anything. Let me tell you. You are not the owner of this compound. Anything you plant here belongs to all of us because you are not the owner of the compound. Stop a beard. I go there. Who will be me either? You didn't want me where to cut it. Wash me cut it. No touch that banana. You can't touch me, man. An hungry woman is an angry woman. No, about you. It's not I mean not the hungry. I didn't need that phone. Please don't let me this woman.
Finish.
Now you stone. Now draw a stone.
You go faint.
So I just feel once we become friends, you're actually gonna like me for real. I don't want you to rush it. I just want you to take your time to think about it. You know, you definitely get to see the me in me and like me for who I am. I know it's not an easy task because I know good things.
So it has gotten to the point where you'll be cheating on me, Abi.
No. She.
So you are cheating on me?
No. Wait, just
Mama, you are cheating on me.
I'm not cheating on you.
What do you mean you are not cheating on me?
To be honest, she has not even accepted.
What have I not done for you?
She has not accepted for us.
I give you money, I buy you clothes, I buy you hair, buy you shoes.
You're getting me wrong.
And you have the effrontery to be cheating on me.
You're getting me wrong.
You are not cheating on me.
You're getting me wrong.
Okay, you think I'll not see this message, Abi? Who is Ade?
Babe, Ade is my cousin now. I've told you before. Yes, it's my cousin.
I don't know why I keep forgetting. I'm sorry. Why are you not standing outside alone? Meet me in the house.
Best to see this one.
What's going on here?
Oh, babe.
Our wife, bestie, it's your big final.
Babe, welcome. Babe, this is my bestie.
Okay.
Bestie meets my babe, Sharon.
Hi, Sharon.
Hi, babe.
I've heard so much about you. You're so fine.
Hey,
Bestie.
Beg, no vex for me. I need you to explain in layman's terms what's happening here.
Babe, it's my bestie now. I've known her for a very long time before I met you.
You've known her for a very long time. Now she carry leg, put on top your leg.
Oh, that's how we roll, Abi bestie.
Yeah, that's how we roll.
That's how you roll. Now so you go roll now. Roll enter bed. You don't see where they keep goat and yam together. My sister, come on your leg, from that leg.
Daughter of Jezebel.
So you say you are a friend for how long?
He has been my bestie for the past 15 years, even before he met you. What are you talking about? See, if I wanted to have him as my boyfriend, I would have done that. I was even the person that advised him to date you.
Thank you, my sister. God go bless you. You advised her to date me. Thank you. I'm going to go your house. Go find your own man.
Stand up and go where?
You?
I have known this guy for more than 15 years. I I supported him when he had nothing. I gave him money to start so many businesses. So where am I going to? If there's anyone to leave this place right now, I think it should be you. We are besties and we are besties forever.
Okay, now baby, go come choose between me and her who they go house, because one person must go home.
Oh Jesus, for the struggle.
Be careful who you share. I couldn't read it. I think you should be careful who you share your problems with, something like that. Oh, thanks. You sharing problems, give the guy as a friend. The friend carrying problems, give a shake another of his friends. This life, trust no one, man. Trust no one, man. Don't do now, I'm gonna come out. Sometimes the people who trust the most are the ones who hurt us the deepest. Me practicing how I will use music to catch my crush in Crush today. Other countries, Africans. Hey. I'm not serious. Sometimes help. This bread is not sweet. The guy did it on purpose. Hey. Yeah. Never look down on people's kindness. Blessings hide in strange places.
What's wrong?
She wearing Nika now. I Nika she wear. Remember Polo? What's going on here? I hope it.
You sure say you don't okay so?
I tell you what, person the pass through because of 5,000 we won't borrow for open hand then. Smart thing.
I hope you turn you to best side so you don't finish you.
Best side not good. I don't really say they don't go ask me for my broker self because the way the thing they go so be like say my face not reach there again. I don't bear not my neck eh. Ah! Thank God they don't approve am.
Thank God, thank God, thank God.
Ah, thank God.
But which one you dey thank God pass me now? You dey approve am for abi? Wait, not make me fear. Abi you got another plan for my money? What did happen now?
Oh, but they approve am for us now. For the 5K now, you fit just find me 2K, make I take package my side. So you no still there for my side now. I no fit collect.
You know they serious.
Hope you don't decline my face.
So when I want pay the 5K, so I go see the 2K back. Abi wetin dey happen?
Why they do like that now? 2K, you want to lose guard me? Sure. Why they do like that? Give me, I be your hope.
This was normal. You see, some person they borrow money for evening. You don't say you don't boss. Eh? Well, Ope declare your face, so you don't know road to lapo.
So I don't understand because in the evening now, you know, if you can't give me money.
But I beg, when money not dey my house, so I not disturb anybody. So you not disturb me, I beg. When I dey turn my neck here, since you had your face, John, I be waiting to happen to you.
I don't understand you. Me and you need to turn neck for Ope before you fit give me money.
Your own phone spoil. I dey turn neck here, I dey beg God man, I go get neck problem. You say make a.
Ah, well, this life. They really talk and say, never trust the loyalty of a poor man.
For waiting you don't get to you, they use that quote. Eh? Dress come up for here, poor man, I can quick the see quote.
Can you imagine? The only thing I can say is unless maybe in friend they always they give him if he gets. I think that is the only thing I can say because I don't understand how person you see saying a loan of 5K won't they collect. You they saying go find you 2K inside. Which kind of entitlement mentality with that one? Like I don't just understand. You go borrow your own for OP now, Abi. Anyways, thanks my people for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. And tell me, what's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section, my people. You feel me? So check out my other videos. They're plenty. Check them out if you love them. Trust me. Okay. So see you in the next one, guys. Peace and love.